Hi all, happy to see you all again. This is Valli from Star Collections. As this is festive season, I have planned to show you unique blend of soft silk sarees. It's a Dupian soft silk saree, brick red in color with olive green pallu. It comes with the contrast olive green blouse. The saree is priced at 5,800. It's another Dupian silk, pastel green in color with lotus pink border. It comes with the contrast lotus pink blouse. This saree also priced at 5,800. It's a very unseen, rare grey color soft silk saree with a golden pallu. It comes with a contrast golden blouse. The saree is priced at 5,800. It's a Dupian soft silk saree, baby pink in color with lavender border and pallu. It comes with a contrast lavender blouse. The saree is priced at 5,800. It's a Dupian soft silk, beige in color with red and royal blue temple weaves above the bottom border as well in the pallu. It comes with the contrast maroon blouse with borders for the edges. The saree is priced at 6,320 rupees. It's a self-embossed soft silk saree, tulip pink in color with lavender purple pallu and a contrast blouse. This is the blouse in contrast lavender self-embossed work. It comes along with the border for the sleeves. This saree is priced at 4,275. It's a multicolor soft silk saree. It comes with all over embossed butta and a very heavy pallu in Pepsi blue color. It comes with a contrast Pepsi blue blouse with thick border over the edges. The saree is priced at 6,400 rupees. It's a cream color self-embossed bridal saree. It comes with dark pink borders and dark pink pallu with heavy work. It comes with the contrast blouse dark pink in color with borders for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 8,400 rupees. It's a very pretty hot pink soft silk saree with fluorescent green pallu. It has flower buttas all over the saree. It comes with the contrast fluorescent green plain blouse with borders for the sleeves. This beautiful saree is priced at 6,720 rupees. It's a navy blue soft silk saree. It comes with the swan motifs all over the body. It comes with the baby pink border. It has swan, elephant and floral prints at both the edges of the saree. The pallu is Rani pink in color with female motifs. It comes with the self-embossed contrast Rani pink blouse. The saree is priced at 6,400 rupees. It's a very elegant peacock blue Uppada soft silk saree. It comes with the contrast hot pink pallu and blouse. The saree is priced at 5,850. It's a maroon color soft silk saree. The border is replaced with matte and bright gold color temple motifs. Saree comes with the contrast dotted blouse with temple border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 3,850 rupees. It's a grape color soft silk saree. It comes with black checkered weaves all over the body with contrast black borders. The pallu is with golden prints in black color. It comes with the plain black blouse and grape color weaves for the sleeves. The saree is priced at rupees 3,000. It's an indigo blue soft silk saree with silver buttas all over the body. It comes with swan motifs over both the ends of the saree. It has a very heavy pattern for the pallu. The blouse is a running blouse with silver border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at rupees 5,125. It's another soft silk saree with silver buttas and silver border. It's hot pink in color. It comes with heavy pattern for the pallu and a running blouse with borders for the sleeves. The saree is priced at rupees 5,125. It's a pure soft silk saree in light and dark blue checks. It comes with swan motifs all over the body. The pallu has a very beautiful swan motifs all over. It comes with a contrast dark blue blouse. The saree is priced at 8,350 rupees. It's a bottle green soft silk saree. It comes with checkered eye works all over the body. It has a contrast dark pink pallu and blouse with elephant border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 8,760 rupees. It's an orange and red shaked soft silk saree with golden buttas all over the body. It comes with a two-tone pink, heavy golden work for the pallu. It comes with a contrast blouse like this and a golden border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 4,275 rupees. It's an onion pink Banarasi soft silk saree. It comes with all over embroidery works with florals and square motifs. It has a very rich double color pallu and a contrast blouse. This saree is priced at rupees 3,780. It's the contrast blouse with border for the sleeves. It's an orange color Banarasi soft silk saree. It comes with all over embroidery and buttas. It has a contrast very heavy pallu. It's the contrast blouse for the saree with border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 3,780 rupees. It's a cream color Banarasi soft silk saree. It comes with embroidery all over the body and a contrast heavy pallu. The saree comes with the contrast blouse. For a sample, we have done handwork on this saree blouse. The work is exactly what is on the saree. This is for the back of the blouse and this is for the sleeves. This handwork is priced at 1,500 above the saree. This saree is priced at rupees 3,780. Thanks for watching us all this while. Do contact us for more collections and updates.